Ah, beautiful sunshine. Hey, dude. Still chilling? Yeah, me too, man. Check it out. Now, there's a lot of the snow's gone, but yesterday I stepped off the deck. Yesterday, the deck was covered with snow. I mean, the day before. Yesterday, I was in Dayton. But, so it was all white, and I forgot that I'd shoveled snow, thrown it off the deck repeatedly, and that little pile there is about 4 feet deep. I stepped off the deck and immediately went down. Needed some help here, boys. Getting back up. Check it out, man. I'm going to be showing you a contact I made on Oh, yeah, right. There we go. Need some snowshoes, man. Hey, VA3 DLO, man. Send me a pair. So here we are at the site of the 6-foot high shit hits the fan ultra low dipole. Can I focus maybe? Featuring zip tie center insulator. And a little saggage, but not too bad. I almost fell down, man. A little saggage, right? If it'd focus, but not, there we go. But not too bad. My pole's swaying in the breeze, man, but let's back up carefully. And I'm going to show you a contact I made with a double POTA activator. It's a team, right? A guy and his lady friend. And so I was dealing with the worst of all conditions, man. Not the snow. The band was just in horrible shape. Horrible shape. And let's check out a feed point. See if it's also buried in snow. And where was I? The band was in horrible shape. The sun always melts around my pole. You know, like that. I got bare grass around my pole. Hey, cacti. What's going on, man? Yeah, me too. Just chilling. I'm never going to take down that fishing pole scab radiator off to the side. It works gloriously. Why would I want to take it down and make it a permanent part of the cacti when I can just, it'll be my experiment vertical. So, where was I? The band was in horrible condition. It was a POTA activator. And I was using my shit hits the fan 6-foot high, ultra low, 20-meter dipole to make the contact. So let's go edit this garbage and let you hear the contact. Be best off using headphones or earbuds. They were weak. I shoveled a path after I fell down. Okay, guys. What an awful intro. What an awful POTA clown even making. Check it out. The worst of conditions. My throat's mucked up with an M. The furnace is running. My cup of swill is empty. And this is a POTA activation, and I've switched online my 6-foot high dipole. So the worst of the conditions. The band is crap today, man. 20 meters at least here at my locale. Let's see if we can work her. I'm doubtful with this antenna, but you never know. It depends on how much other competition there is, and it can be insane on these POTA activators. Let's see what happens, man. I'll try a few times. QSB got him. Quite a bit of QSB on the band today. I'm going to pause you and wait till he starts coming up a little, and then it's a guy and woman pair doing dual activation. I'll see what happens if they come back. Hang on. November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo.
November 8, November Kilo. Good afternoon. You're looking at 5x5. Thank you, Southern Saskatchewan. I'm doing Canada. And Victor Endo 1141. All three no parts, brother.
QSL, thank you very much. I'll take the 5.5. I'm using a dipole, 6 foot high dipole. It's only 6 foot above the ground, so thank you. You have a nice signal with a real antenna. You're 5757 in the state of Michigan. Over. QSL, thank you very much. You are 5'8" at the moment, 5'8", 58 in the state of Michigan, QSL.
Here's the 5'8" from Michigan, just so you know that there's an antenna out, doesn't matter how high it is, but thanks a lot for taking it, 73.
Thank you very much, 73, have fun guys.
We're having fun, thanks so much. This is Victor Echo 5, Yankee Alpha Kilo calling Echo Park, 1141.
And there you go. Worked him. Worked her. First call. 20 meters. 100 watts. PEP. SSB. But using a ridiculous 6 foot high dipole. Or is it ridiculous? If shit hits the fan, man, you might not be able to get that up. If not, we'll see what we can do. I might have, maybe it's time for the MFJ dummy load antenna. Oh man, my brother, my dear poor brother Art, 71st birthday yesterday. The day before his birthday, he got his pathology diagnosis for his liver, or for his bladder cancer, and it was not good. It's malignant with unknown, I forget the word, basically unknown penetration into other surrounding unrelated tissues. So, well, the good news is that we all have, his tumor's in his ureter. The good news is we all have 2 ureters, we all have 2 kidneys. So if worst comes to worst, they whack out his ureter and his kidney, and if need be, his bladder. It's not a death sentence, but yeah. 73, and have a wonderful day, guys. Be well.